Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Airpods and device. First, make sure your device's Bluetooth is on and within a few feet. Next, check whether the pods have enough charge by listening for the status tone. If low, put the pod in a Qi-compatible wireless charger sleeve or use a portable lightning cable. Once done, put an AirPod in your ear and use the sensor to wake it. This signals the pod and readies it for the next pairing step. Now you'll force a connect without the case. Press and hold the stem sensor on the AirPod for 15-20 seconds until you hear a chime or the pod repeatedly disconnects and reconnects. That acts like a reset. Then go to your device's Bluetooth menu, scan, and look for the AirPod name or a generic BLE entry. On Android, make sure location is on and use a BLE scanner app if the pod name doesn't appear. This sequence helps the pod advertise itself clearly. Finish by accepting the pairing prompt and testing audio and mic immediately. Place the AirPod in your ear and play a short clip, then make a test call or record a voice memo to confirm mic routing. If it fails, toggle Bluetooth, restart your device, and repeat the reset and scan steps once or twice. Small firmware glitches clear this way. If problems persist, try connecting to a different device to rule out host issues, and then consider support or repair options as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.